tẹ́lẹ̀ náà ẹ má pa wá tán ẹjọ́ o ẹ̀yin ní private jet ẹ máa fi tra ẹ máa fi sálọ ẹ ti kó pamọ́ fáwọn ọmọ yín o àwọn aláṣẹṣẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìgbésí ayé wa o. You people should stop killing us. Stop killing us. If Nigeria cannot work, let everybody separate. Let everybody go. Ẹ dẹ̀ dúró síbẹ̀ ẹ dẹ̀ show wickedness yẹn pé kò sí kankan tẹ́ni kankan máa ṣe fún yín. Ẹ jọ náà àbí kí ni gbogbo eléyìí náà. Ṣòwòrẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta láì ti gbé. Wọ́n ní kó lọ gbé Ṣòwòrẹ́ wá. Àwọn Boko Haram dẹ̀ pààyàn wọ́n pa ọlọ́pàá wọ́n dẹ̀ scot free. You people are enjoying the killings because of money, because of selfishness. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Abeg, don't reason my matter, and if you want to reason my matter, reason it. It's better for we to talk now before you kill all of us. We say this is AI too. When everybody is talking, we say AI. What is the meaning of AI? So Nigeria government know AI. Ìkànnì yín o, ẹ ṣe dáadáa o. Tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa killings, kí ló mú Nigeria president to speak out, to shut all those bandits down.